Briana Williams establishing a new national junior record came as no surprise to her coach Ato Boldon. However, the former sprinter turned broadcaster thinks the sport is in serious need of resurrection. Jerome Foster reports.
Williams' 10.98 seconds in Florida on Monday would have been seen by many as a warning shot fired by the 19-year-old. However, for her coach Ato Boldon, this was just par for the course. Boldon had hopes of an even more impressive time had Williams executed a particular phase of her race.
I am very happy with her progress. It took her a little while. This is still only her third and fourth finals for the year at 100 meters, but this is where she's supposed to be. And in fact, she had a really poor reaction to the gun on Sunday night. I was convinced that she was going to leave Jacksonville with a 10.87 personal best.
And as for those who have criticized him for his handling of Williams,
when Briana showed up in 2017, she was supposed to play Robin to whoever most people had decided was going to be Batman. And I said at the time, I know what I have here, and I think we'll be just fine. When I was putting her in races with, Shelly Ann and Elaine when she was 16 at the Racers GP back in 2018, people said that's lunacy. You don't put a junior in with grown women. But it was all part of my plan so that when she made the transition, it wouldn't be a big transition.
the former sprinter sees the sport hanging by a thread, and the ideas seem to be running out according to Boldon.
I think track and field needs a revolution. I wish I knew what that looked like, but I know that some of the things that I can see in the sport right now are going in the wrong direction. This decision that World Athletics has taken with the field events is one of the worst ideas I have ever heard. It makes no sense. The fans hate it. The competitors hate it. This thing where you take you guys know what the details of it are. Track and field needs a revolution. Track and field is dying on the vine.
Boldon is still trying to pinpoint what is the missing ingredient.
The world that I grew up in, the track and field that I grew up in, with sold out stadiums and flags in the stands. I cover the Diamond League obviously, and I go, what is going on? Why these stadiums are empty? What are we missing? How have we lost the connection with the fans? I don't know if it's the drugs. I don't know if it's just a lack of star power. I don't know what it is. All I know is that we have some fabulous athletes with historical performances, and the general public isn't as interested as I think they should be.
Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.